And cash and good sometimes 1000X now is the highest multiplier to catch there. 1K, 1K. What do? Well, I'm doing the same thing to her. Number 10 get paid.
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Not you, Dottie. You get 291. You do. Also want to see what I don't know why. But how Cristiano Ronaldo with his Al-Nassr to somewhere in the future, I don't know, next year, got to qualify to the, you know, Club World Cup as well. It's the Club World Cup Championship. Cash going with the 2X. Woo! Crazy time. There we go. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Bam, 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 bam. Up it up. There we go. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the crazy time. Choose a flapper, grand one, but you want the other one while Bobby's making circles around the button. For the sake of your decision. There we go, 100X. 20X green, 10X for the L1, double trouble for the blue. Screw, 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 screw. And there we go, 200X. One more time. Welcome back, welcome to the business. 1,129 players winners. 200X, that was juicy. Juicy like my colleague. So basically happy ending with the Bobby. Because it's the last round. After that they're gonna fly away.
But yeah, today I'm gonna play some pool on my own. That's close. Gotta practice. Gotta do it every once in a while. 25X on number 10. Come on, buddy. Number 10. Number 10. Come on. Come on. Come on. Woo-hoo-hoo! 10 with a 25X. Let's go. 250X payout for the 10. Bro, no way. Hey, this is real. This is not a joke. This ain't a miracle. That's how we do it, chaps. Hey. 250X, highest win of the session so far. We'll take that all.
2.4 thousand winners in the end. So yeah, that's how it works. As soon as the betting time's officially closed on my side, then yeah, we just spin. PA says hello, Basil. Yo, what's up, my lord? Great to see you. And there we go. Good luck, guys. 2x10. Oh, guys, is it? Me lords and me ladies, crazy time. Can I get a... Get it, me lords. And yes, we are here, guys. We are here. Crazy time money wheel. the biggest money wheel with 3 flappers, guys. So choose the team that you want to be a part of, guys. So, yeah, green, blue, yellow, choose wisely. Are you still on or you are just in the best and there's so matches? 100 is the max multiplier. I'll answer that question in a second. Okay, so seems like 25s for team blue and yellow. Let's double the fun for team green. Shout out, Mr. Monopoly, guys. Okay, so max multi now 200. Can we get it? Let's find out. Good luck.
Very top. Make sure to place the bets for the next round. Yeah. Let's spin it up again. Coin flip. Last coin flip, I think, was a 10X. Well, best of luck, everybody. 5X on cash hunt. Is the wheel gonna tease again? Let's see. Getting near the cash hunt. Never mind. Never mind. Finally, that wait is over. Hello. Welcome to the cash hunt. Doing great, sweetie. The less multis, the better. Yeah, I don't think that's how this game works. All right, we got 100X as the highest one. Let's bring in the 5X. Ooh, 500X is the highest one now. The board is looking nice. So let's pull the lever, okay? We got a lot of pretty symbols here. Let the carousel begin. All right, guys. It will be your time to choose one of those lovely symbols. I hope you already have your eyes on something. So take the cannon and shoot away. Do the bang bangs and the boom booms. Do that. Boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. Let's spend this night together. Not and forever. Okay. Where the 500Xs? It's right there. 500X.
Okay, betting time's closed up. Let's move on to the next round over here. Let's go. Boom. Crazy time with the 4X from the top slot. Can we catch that crazy time on a spin right now? That's what I'm hoping for. So can we bring it in? Woo-hoo! Let's go! That's what we needed out here. Crazy time with the 4X from the top slot. Let's get to the goodies. Let's go. Good evening to you. Good evening. We're at crazy time, baby. This one is going to be a little bit more special one because we have that 4X top slot multiplier which is being applied to the multipliers right here, right now. So all the multipliers on the wheel are getting multiplied with 4X. So it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be spicy out here. Decision time has begun. You have to decide between those 3 colorful flappers on top of the wheel. The green one, blue one, or the yellow one. Whatever that flapper lands on, that's what you're getting. It could be a multiplier, it could be a double, triple, whatever it is. And the top multiplier we can go for is gonna be a 400X. So let's see which flapper's gonna get it. Boom! Woohoo! Come on, you like to hear. Boom! Fair and square out here. 200Xs for all the 7,032 winners. 2, 3, 4. You're getting a 32,000. Wow. Big money. Big money for everyone out here. Everyone got a 200X. Wow. Give yourselves a well-deserved little pat on the back. You know, betting time's closed. Good luck to you. Round of applause. A round of applause to all the winners. Look at that. What a way to start the session.
You're here. Good to see you at the crazy time. Gabby. Will you be back at Lightning Storm? No, not today. Maybe I will be there tomorrow or some other day, but not today, no. Race and Pachinko from a top slot. I think I was there for a really long time already. Was it not enough? I think I was there for a really long time. Oh, here is the Pachinko. Even better, because we got a top slot this time. Amazing. Okay, hello there. Quite beautiful start of the session, I think. I mean, it's not the start of the session. Well, basically the start of the session. We're going to have a 5X. And the 7 and 10 and 15 and 20, 25, 100 and a double. And a 3X, of course. So 300X is the highest multiplier. But I'm hoping that we can get a double. Double trouble here would be nice. Wait, that's quite far. I mean, we can get a 300X if we drop here, right? If I remember correctly. Let me see. Want to be here for it? That was so fast. I didn't realize what happened. But apparently we have 300X. 8,992 winners. Indeed, a very lovely start of the session. Good job, guys. Now let's spin the wheel now. That's cool. Actually made me happy. Get 4,012, my compliments yet again, and betting time starts. Get betting and place your bets. 8 options to choose. Additionally, out to play and bets and all options are available. Also, this one is my last round video. After that one, my colleague, Keita, gonna take over. I'm pretty sure you were waiting for this lovely lady. And cash and get 10 times multiplier. Come on. I know you can. I know you can. Come on. Woo! I think we just got it. Ladies and gentlemen. Cash and bonus round it is with a 10 times multiplier. Let's go. This is a great way to have to say goodbye, isn't it?
Wow.
Look how many hundreds there are. Oh my. 1000X now is the highest multiplier to catch there. 1K, 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 1K. Good luck. I wish you all the best. All of the multipliers are looking much better now. And, well, we start with the shuffle. Once the shuffle's done, you get to choose one of the symbols. You know, the one you have a connection with, or your favorite, or maybe you have your favorite spot. But just in case, if you don't want to make a decision yourself, you know, way too much pressure because 1000X on the line, you can just simply leave it for out to pick option. This option is going to choose something randomly instead of you.
Vicky, pick one as well.
Okay. I'm the one who always goes with the bunnies, so I'm going to go with this one. I'm not going to think for way too long. 150. 150. Okay. Congratulations to the winners. You see this wonderful... Don't stand against the wheel. Now you're going to be making fun of me, right? And then you were wondering, like, why did I say that you were mean to me? I mean, we're literally just met, and you are already acting like my best friend. Because my best friends usually do that. Making fun of me whenever I say or whatever I do. Well, I'm doing the same thing to her. Number 10 get 50X. If mom be 500X if we hit it. It's getting closer. 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 We got it! Oh my! That's a number 10 with a 50X on top of it. 500X, ladies and gentlemen. 500X for 3,172 winners. Since it'll Kiki, 175K is all yours. My name is Vicky. Just remember me, please. From now on, forever. We got it! Ain't no way! 500X on the number 10. The 50 times multiply was right on spot. Ladies and gentlemen, number 2 gets 2X. Whew.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society. as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.